Hey, this is how you make over $3,000 for basically doing nothing. Check this out. Go to Google, type in Fiverr. Once you're on Fiverr, check it out. We'll design and develop a beautiful WordPress website. Boom, $3,000, huh? Now check this one out. Here's the cool part. Back on Google again. This time, type in Upwork. You can pay someone on here to do it for $150 and even lower. Woo! Pretty cool, huh? So basically all you have to do is set up a post on Fiverr. Then when you get a gig, take that, go over to Upwork and hire somebody else to do the work for you.
10 websites I wish I knew earlier. Let's go. Click a snap. Get paid to share your images. Kamua, a smart tool that resizes any video dynamically. ContentDrips.com, a great way to create amazing content, like this. ContentRaw.com, improve your writing instantly. MockMagic.com, create mockups for any device instantly. Digital Defiant, get certified for free for any skill you want. NCSIO, an amazing free music library. AnswerSocrates.com, all things that people ask about anything. HashtagStack.com, the most advanced hashtag generators for any platform. Condra.com, the fastest working platform for freelancers. If you enjoyed this one, follow for more.
Small Business Tips Part 5. I'm going to show you how I was able to get more than 700,000 store sessions in just 1 month. Spending $1 on advertisements. Factor to know is that look how many people viewed my website on their mobile because of the social media marketing tactics that I did. One of them being TikTok. I posted a video 4 to 6 times a day. I know they tell you 1 to 3, but doesn't matter what time you post because there's customers around the world. Posted at 1 a.m. and everybody was asleep in the United States. There is everywhere else where there's so many people who are awake. So you can't just post any video. So I'm going to put a few video ideas here for you. But if you want to dive more deep into it with me, join my business class.
Here's why it's better to be a business than an employee. The employee makes $100 by working hourly. The business makes $100 from making an online sale. Before the employee gets his money, taxes have to be taken out. The business, however, gets to spend that whole $100 on all kinds of expenses. They get to reinvest by taking write-offs. After taxes, the employee gets $80. After expenses, the business still has $20. It's not over yet. The employee still has to pay for their expenses. The business has to pay taxes. At the very end, they're both left with $16 in profits. The employee only got to spend $64 on expenses and had to pay $20 worth of taxes. The business got to spend a whopping $80 on expenses and only had to pay $4 in taxes. It all comes down to one thing. Do you get to spend your money before you pay taxes or after you pay taxes? Educate and be good to future you.
So if you guys are ever wondering how to make your own stickers, this is how you do it. Go to Walmart, get these Avery stickers, type in this code at the top of the sheet into Google, as I'm doing here, and then click on the first one that pops up, and then you're going to go ahead and start making your design. I was scrolling through and then decided to type the number at the search bar at the top. It'll open it up, do a blank one, and then enter an image. I decided to do my logo, and then I just made sure it was centered. Then this is what it looks like when you save it to a PDF, and then you'll be able to print it out on your own. And this makes 60 stickers for $6. You guys have to do this. It is a game changer, and I think they turned out great.
You want to break into a certain career or industry, but you're not sure how to do it, I want you to Google this. Google the industry and then Business Digital Summit. So if it's the fashion industry, Fashion Business Digital Summit or Fashion Business Digital Webinar. I'm telling you guys, you will be surprised at how many free resources and events there are out there.
Here's how you can make $50 an hour part 2. Once you got the agent's number, call them. And here's what I want you to say. Hello, my name is Karam Khalil and I saw your beautiful listing for sale at 123 Main Street. Now, of course, you're going to replace this address with the right one, and you're actually going to say your name, not mine. I then want you to say, I have a service where I make flyers for real estate agents, and I was wondering if you'd be interested in me making one for you. If they say yes, say this. Awesome, I'm excited to do it. Show enthusiasm, let them know that you're ready. Then continue saying, I charge only $50 per flyer and I can get it done for you same day at no extra cost. You pay me after you approved it and are happy. Now if they say no, say this. How about I make a flyer for free and if you like it, you can decide how much to pay me. Don't be scared of free work because that's how you build lasting relationships. Now go make some money and comment below if you got any questions.
Might have just found the best resource for small businesses.
You have to start a business if you ever want to be rich. When I was a model, I was making $125 an hour, and I thought that was pretty great. Coming from Pomona and being a poor kid, I thought I made it. And then one day I got invited to a client's house, and his house cost $5 million. That meant his monthly payments were like $20,000 a month. I started doing the math, and I realized that even if I worked all day, every day, for the rest of my life, I would still never even be able to cover this guy's rent. I was maxed out at the income I was at. And then it hit me. The only way I would ever achieve true wealth is if I found a way to make money while I was doing nothing. I started a business so that I could have financial freedom in the future. It's ridiculously hard for the first couple of years. Would you rather spend 5 years working for yourself, having something for your future, and having financial freedom eventually? Or spend 5 years working for somebody else and just having the same level of income and the same level of living forever?